A Health Insurance Website Guide. Chapter 1. Health Insurance Resources. Health Insurance Resources. CareData.com, database on healthcare plans and quality. U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. Healthcare Financing Administration. 6325 Security Boulevard, Baltimore, Maryland 21207. HCFA.gov. Medicare and Medicaid Hotline. 800-638-6833. Medicare.gov. Health Insurance Association of America. 1025 Connecticut Ave NW. Number 1200. Washington, D.C. 20036-3998. 800-942-4242. 202-223-7780. HIAA.org. Lobbying group for health insurance which supplies free booklets to the public. Free booklet guide to health insurance. National Association of Health Underwriters. 2000 North 14th St. Number 450. Arlington, Virginia 22201. NAU.org. American Accreditation Healthcare Commission. 202-296-0120. URAC.org. American Association of Health Plans. 1129 20th St. Number 600. Washington, D.C. 20036. 202-778-3200. 877-291-2247. API@API.org. API.org. Trade organization representing more than 1,000 HMOs, PPOs, etc. Free booklet, a common sense guide to choosing a health plan. The Managed Healthcare Directory is a list of all members. Center for Healthcare Rights. 520 South Lafayette Park. PL. Number 214. Law, California 90057. 213-383-4519. Healthcare Advocacy. Dorland Healthcare Information. 1500 Walnut St. Number 1000. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania 19102. 800-784-2332. DorlandHealth.com. Affiliated with the AAHP, the sell a directory of health plans. Alliance of Claims Assistance Professionals. 877-275-8765. 630-588-1260. Claims.org. If you're filing a claim, they'll help you for a fee. Consumer Coalition for Quality Health Care. 1275 K St. N.W. Number 602. Washington, D.C. 20005. 202-789-3606. Consumers.org. Health Insurance Association of America. 555 13th St. Northwest. Washington, D.C. 20004. 800-942-4242. 800-879-4422. 202-824-1600. 202-223-7780. Fax, 202-824-1722. HIAA.org. Lobbying group for health insurance which supplies free booklets to the public. Free booklet guide to health insurance. National Committee for Quality Assurance. 2000 L St. N.W. Number 500. Washington, D.C. 20036. 800-839-6487. NCOA.org. Reports on the quality of managed care plans. People's Medical Society. 462 Walnut St. Allentown, Pennsylvania 18102. 610-770-1670. Fax, 610-770-0607. peoplesmed.org. Public Citizen Health Research Group. 1600 20th St. Northwest. Washington, D.C. 20009. 202-588-1000. Citizen.org/HRG. U.S. Labor DEPT. Department of Labor. 800-998-7542. dol.gov/dol/pwba. Free publication. Recent changes in healthcare laws. American Association of Retired Persons. 601 E St. N.W. Washington, D.C. 20049. AARP.org. Free booklet Managed Care, an AARP guide. Joint Commission on Accreditation of Healthcare Organizations. 630-792-5800. jcaho.org. Performance Reports on Health Plans. Medical Information Bureau. POG 105, Essex STA. Boston, Massachusetts 02112. 617-426-3660. MIB.com. This is a central watchdog agency which keeps medical records on people to give to insurance companies, which then determine if they are trying to perpetuate a fraudulent claim/policy. Contact them to get a copy of your medical report for about $8. You can get your medical record or your insurance records from them. The National Association for the Self-Employed. 800-527-5504. NACE.org. Health Insurance. National Association of Socially Responsible Organizations. NASRO-CO-OP.com. 800-638-8113. Health Insurance for Nonprofits, Small Businesses, and the Self-Employed. National Committee for Quality Assurance. 2000 L St. N.W. Number 500. Washington, D.C. 20036. 202-955-3515. 800-839-6487. ncqa.org. They evaluate health plans and offer a free brochure on how to select one. Simple Care Medical Arts Center. 4033 Talbot Road South. Number 570. Renton, Washington 98055. 888-469-1112. Fax 425-254-1111. Membership at simplecare.com. Simplecare.com. Part of non-profit program of the American Association of Patients and Providers, alternative to conventional health insurance. tccm.org. 888 Psalms 23. Christian Medi-Sharing Program. United Seniors Health Cooperative. 1331 H St. N.W. Number 500. Washington, D.C. 20005. 202-393-6222. 800-637-2604. ushc-online.org. Publications and Programs. Book Managing Your Healthcare Finances. Health Insurance Plans. Blue Cross Blue Shield of Minnesota. BlueCrossMN.com. Health Partners. HealthPartners.com. Medica. Medica.com. Patient Choice Insights by Aetna. Aetna.com. Preferred One. Preferred1.com. UCare. UCare.org. Health Insurance Companies Info. American Association of Health Plans. 1129 20th St. Number 600. Washington, D.C. 20036. 202-778-3200. 877-291-2247. opi@opi.org. opi.org. Trade organization representing more than 1,000 HMOs, PPOs, etc. Free booklet, A Common Sense Guide to Choosing a Health Plan. HMO Medicare Hotline. 633-4227. 800 Medicare. Medicare.gov. Free information. AAA911HEALTH.com, low-cost discount healthcare plan. Healthinsurancefinders.com. 4-HEALTH-INSURANCE-RATES.com. BE-INSURANCE-SMART.com. EASY-HEALTH-INSURANCE-QUOTE.com. eHealthInsurance.com. Healthinsurancefinders.com. HEALTH-INSURANCE-FINDS.com. Health.INSURANCEGUIDE101.com. Healthinsurancelistings.com. Healthinsurancesavings.com. InsureMe.com. Localinsurance.com. MedicalHelpers.com. NetQuote.com. TheHealthInsuranceCenter.com. ADMARinc.com. Aetna.com. AllQuotesInsurance.com. AMA-ASSN.org. AMSChoices.com, American Medical Security. ANTHEM-INC.com. ASGR.com, Healthcare Services to Prisons. BuySmart.com/HMO. Cigna.com. Conseco.com. ConsumerBenefits.net. Corvel.com. CountryCompanies.com. CrawfordandCompany.com. eHealthInsurance.com. EmpireHealthcare.com. Ensurance.com. Extend1.com. FHS.com, Foundation Health Systems. FindInsurance.com. GHI.com, New York. GLIC.com, Guardian Life. HCFA.gov, cms.hhs.gov/medicare/mcareNSM. HCHS.com, Holy Cross Health System. HealthAccess.com. HealthInsuranceSavings.com. HipUSA.com, New York. Humana.com, Southeast and Midwest. InsuranceBytes.com. InsureMe.com. InsWeb.com. KaiserPermanente.org. LibertyMutual.com. LifeAndHealth.com. LocalInsurance.com. LowQuotes.com. LutheranBro.com, Lutheran Brotherhood. MAMSI.com, Mid-Atlantic Medical Services. MaxiCare.com. MedicareIGHTS.org. MedicareAdvocacy.org. Medicare.gov, 800-633-4227. MNHealthNetwork.com. MostChoice.com. NACALaw.com, 800-800-3656, North American Company for Life and Health Insurance. NetQuote.com. NewYorkLife.com. NHP.org, Massachusetts. ODSHP.com, Medical and Dental Insurance. OXHP.com, 800-444-6222, Northeast. Pacificare.com. PacificLife.com, Group Health. Protective.com. Prudential.com, Group Health. QuoteForInsurance.com. QuoteMonster.com. QuoteMyInsurance.com. QuoteSmith.com. Safeco.com. Secure Horizons from Pacificare.com. StateFarm.com. TheHartford.com. TheHealthInsuranceCenter.com. TorchMarkCorp.com. Trigon.com. TrustMarkInsurance.com. TuftsHealthPlan.com. UnitedHealthGroup.com. Unitron.com. UsNews.com, ranks HMOs annually, October. UWZ.com, United Wisconsin Services. WattsHealth.com. WellPoint.com, Health and Life, California. High deductible health plans /HDHPs. A high-deductible health plans, HDHP, is an inexpensive health insurance policy with a high deductible that you use only if you have a serious medical problem. People pair this with a health savings account that they use for minor ailments or to pay the deductible on their insurance policy. Buzzle.com/articles/high-deductible-health-insurance.html en.wikipedia.org/wiki/high-deductible_health_plan high-deductible-health-insurance-plans.org ehow.com, low-cost, high-deductible health insurance health-insurance.org/high-deductible high-deductible-health-insurance-plans.com high-deductible-health-plan.org Insurance Rating Services. Beyond your state insurance commissioner, there are several companies which, for a fee, rate insurance companies on their ability to pay claims. You can find them at your local library in the reference section. badfaithinsurance.org, FBIC ranks insurance companies on their records to pay claims promptly and properly in good faith. Insure.com/ratings/index.html Insurance Company Ratings. FitchRatings.com AM Best Emist.com/ratings Moody's Investor Services Moodys.com Standard & Poor's Corp StandardandPoor's.com/ratings actions/ratings lists Weiss Research WeissRatings.com Chapter 2 U.S. State Health Insurance Info State Government Health Plans loc.gov/law/state-health-plans/index.php, State legislation on comprehensive health care coverage. StateHealthFacts.org, find out how well your state is doing in regard to health coverage and the uninsured. Chapter 3 A Health Insurance Website Guide 1 Health Insurance Search Engines business.com/directory/financial_services/insurance/health_insurance healthcare-programs.com health-insurance-directory.com healthinsuranceanywhere.com healthcareshopper.com a1-insurance-quote.com OPI.org, American Association of Health Plans HIAA.org Learn about health insurance websites. Check out some books in the number 362.10-362.16 or RA 395 to the RA 645 section of your library that might tell you how to save money on healthcare, and books at number 368.3 that deal with health insurance. Look in your local phone book under health insurance or health services for local health insurance companies. BestHealthInsuranceebook.com webmd.com/health-insurance/tc/understanding-health-insurance-types-of-health-insurance, health insurance guide. Foundation for Health Coverage Education 800-234-1317 Helpline CoverageForall.org LifeAndHealthInsurancenews.com healthinsurancechecklist.com/glossary.html insurancefinder.com/healthinsurance ehealthinsurance.com NAU.org, the National Association of Health Underwriters mcare.net, the National Clearinghouse on Managed Care chcs.org, Center for Healthcare Strategies healthinsuраnceinfo.net NOLHGA.com, National Organization of Life and Health Insurance Guarantee Associations healthlistings.com/healthlistings/state health insurance Health Insurance Association of America HIAA.org Lobbying Group for Insurance Companies. They can provide you with information on insurance. Health Insurance Websites 1. Finder.healthcare.gov, find health insurance for your family. 10healthinsurance.info a1-health-care.com, aarp.org, 800-424-3410, American Association of Retired Persons. aarp.org/health-coverage. affordable-healthcoverage.com. affordablehealthcoverage.com. allcitieshealthinsurance.com. allinsurancesales.com. allquotesinsurance.com. americanhealthbenefits.com, offers health insurance service plans for prescription drugs, dental, vision and chiropractic care. Aquint.com. buyamericaninsurance.com. healthinsurancknowledge.com. cgha.com, Cincinnati Group Health. cheaphealthinsurance.bz. Cigna.com, Cigna. consumerreports.org. costplus-benefits.com, health and dental. criticalillnesshealthinsurance.com. fasthealthinsurancequotes.com/health insurance providers. find-health-insurance.com. findinsurance.com. findinsurance.us. getfreeinsurancequotes.com. gethealthinsurancequotes.com. get-insurance.net. getinsurancequotes.org. gicinsurance.org. globalhealth.com. goodhealthquotes.com/group-health-insurance.hdm. guaranteedhealthcare.org. guaranteed-issue-health-insurance.com. healthinsurance.com. healthinsurance.instantinsurancequotesonline.com. healthinsurance.net. healthinsurance.org. healthinsurance.99.com. health-insurance-agents.org. healthinsuranceanywhere.com. healthinsuranceanywhere.net. healthinsurancechoice.com. healthinsurancecontrol.com. Health insurance websites too. aarp.org/health/insurance/articles/individualinsurance.html, individual health insurance. colonialpenn.com, colonialpenn.com, we make insurance simple. bcbs.com, Blue Cross Blue Shield, healthcare. fepblue.org, fepblue.org, Federal Employee Program. helpmefindinsurance.com. hicksassociatesinsurance.com. insure.com/articles/health insurance. insure.com/health. insure.us/health-insurance. insureclick.com. insureco.org. insuredatlast.com. localinsurance.com. localinsurancelistings.com. low-cost-insurance-programs.com. lowestpremium.com. lowquotes.com. magellanhealth.com. healthinsurancefinders.com. medicalinsurance.bz. quickhealthinsurance.com. virtual-health-insurance.com. findinsurance.com/health-insurance. vrsc.com, financial help for very sick people. Chapter 4. A health insurance website guide to short-term health insurance websites/temporary medical insurance websites. short-term health insurance.insurancebrochure.com. healthinsurance.org/learn/short-term-health-insurance. einsurance.com/health-insurance/short-term-health-insurance. insure.com/articles/health-insurance/short-term.html. aflac.com/individuals/short-term-disability-insurance.aspx. alliednational.com/short-term.hdm. short-termhealthinsurance.com, shorttermhealthinsurance.net, short-term-health-insurance.org, shorttermhealthinsurance.us, shorttermhealthusa.com. Hi websites from triagecancer.org/health-insurance. triagecancer.org/state laws number sign health insurance laws, triage cancer chart of state laws related to health insurance. triagecancer.org/blog, triage cancer educational blog healthcare reform and other laws. triagecancer.org/quick guide health insurance options, quick guide to health insurance options. cancerfinances.org, health insurance options. triagecancer.org/Medicaid-expansion, states expanding Medicaid under the Affordable Care Act. triagecancer.org/quick guide Cobra, quick guide to Cobra. triagecancer.org/quick guide Medicare, quick guide to Medicare. triagecancer.org/marketplaces, quick guide to status of state health insurance marketplaces. triagecancer.org/appeal tracking form, health insurance appeals tracking form. triagecancer.org/resources/state resources, state health insurance marketplace. healthcare.gov/law/full/index.html, the Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act 2010 full text. healthcare.gov. healthcare.gov/what-is-the-health-insurance-marketplace, state health insurance marketplaces. healthcare.gov/families, healthcare reform. healthcare.gov/small-businesses, healthcare reform for small businesses. cms.gov/ccio/index.html, Center for Consumer Information and Insurance Oversight, CIO. kff.org/health-reform, families USA healthcare reform and implementation. kff.org, Kaiser Family Foundation healthcare reform. medicare.gov, Medicare. mymedicare.gov, mymedicare.gov. medicaid.gov, Medicaid. healthlaw.org/issues/medicaid/medicaid-expansion-toolbox, Medicaid expansion toolbox. californiahealthline.org, California Healthline. Some health insurance websites and articles at feedspot.com/news/health_insurance. healthcare.gov, Healthcare Insurance Blog. healthcare.gov. Guide to buying individual health insurance. healthinsurance.org. Health Insurance, Reddit. readyt.com. Kaiser Health News, Insurance. khn.org. Trupanion Blog. Trupanion.com. Trupanion Pet Insurance. Healthcare Economist. healthcare-economist.com. Center on Health Insurance Reforms. Chureblog.org. Solid Health Insurance. solidhealthinsurance.com.